Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Way VN. So let's start today's stocks analysis with NASDAQ. So in NASDAQ, as we already discussed in our yesterday video, Indices video, that we are looking for this correction after this brown wave 1. After this black wave 1 and black wave 2, we count this structure as a green wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as a brown wave 1. So after this point, market give us this move as a pattern at 24,000. Like market give us this move as a W, then X, then again now we are looking for this move towards the 23,000. Market give us this point at 24,000 like arrival with this leg reaction first low below level. Now this pattern belong to the bearish pattern like arrival reaction first low below level A, B and C. Now we need to wait for this correction A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point 23,000 then 22,000. That's also possible. Market may give us the deep correction towards the 50 to 61.80% fib retracement zone towards the 21 to 20,000. That's also possible. But if market give us the pattern at 23,000, then we will go towards the 22. If this 22 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the 21 step by step. If market cross this point 25 and give us the classic trading level pattern for the bullish side, then we will go towards the 27 and then 28. So let's check the bullish possibility first. Like if market crosses 25, 25 belongs to the medium number, strong and larger number. If market give us the proper pattern like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C, then we will go towards the 27 and then 28 step by step. Market already give us the pattern like market cross is 25 creates high. After this high, this correction is in play like A, B and C. Now we need to wait for the next impulsive move after this correction or directly this impulsive move. So for the bearish side, market creates this point as a market give us the arrival reaction fast low below level. Now we need to wait for A, B and C in 1 hour time frame to go towards the 23,000. So let's check the pattern for the bearish side. At 24,000, market give us the arrival reaction first low below level. After this first low, now we need to wait for this correction as A, B and C. Then we will go with this wave B directly towards the 23,000, or we need to refine our entry in lower time frame in 1 hour time frame from this point to this low in lower time frame, from this low to inner wave B. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave X, we count this structure as a W, then A, B, C, D, and E as a triangle X. Now we can go this move as A, B, and C as a Y. That's possible. This correction may completed at this point as a Y of this green wave Y as a brown wave 2. That's also possible. But if this is the case, then we need to wait for the proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C, the bullish classic trading level pattern. Then we will go towards the 26 in 1 hour time frame and then 27 step by step with this wave B. For the bullish side, we need to wait for this classic trading level pattern at 25. For the bearish side, that's possible. We count this move as a W brown with W, then X and then Y, or as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A. That's possible. We count this move as A, B, and C, or as a W, X, and Y of this black wave Y. Like that's possible. Market may give us this move as A, B, and C. Then market go towards the 23,000. So this is for NASDAQ. If market give us the classic trading level pattern like market already give us this low. Now we need to wait for the A, B and C and next impulsive move with correction to go towards the 23,000. So let's check our next pair, Apple. So in Apple, after this black wave 3 and black wave 4, we count this structure as a green wave 1, 2, green wave 3. Now this green wave 4 may still is in play like this as a B and C or as a W, X and Y, or we can count this move as a triangle like wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D and wave E. Then market go towards the bullish side. Like this, that's possible this green wave 4 may complete it, or that's also possible this green wave 4 may complete it at this point, market not cross this low like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If this is the case, then we need to wait for the next impulsive move A, B and C to go towards the 300. If 300 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 310, 320 and 330 as a group 1. For the bullish side, we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bullish side with the classic trading level pattern. Otherwise, that's possible market may remain as a triangle sideways, or market may give us this move as a W, then X and then Y towards the 230 group 1. Then we can count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a green wave 1, green wave 2 as a deep correction. For the bullish side, we need to wait for this impulsive move and its correction. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave 3, we count this structure as a W, X and Y as a green wave 4. After this green wave 4, we count this move as an impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, black wave 1. Then market give us this move as a B and C as a black wave 2. So if market give us the next impulsive move in lower time frame like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrival, rejection, first high above level A, B and C. Then we can go towards the 272 and then 280 as a wave A, wave B and wave C, or as a 1, 2 and 3. If these 280 give us the classic trading level pattern with the proper impulsive move, then we will go towards the 300. Otherwise, that's possible after this A, B and C market go towards the next move as a wave E. Wave A, B, C, D and E last leg. So we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 260 or 265 to go towards the 272. If market give us the proper impulsive move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 towards the 280 like arrival, reaction first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point 300. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may go as a sideways or as a W, X and Y or A, B and C towards the 230 or 240 step by step. So let's check our next pair, Amazon. So in Amazon, we count this structure as a brown wave 1 at this point, then brown wave 2, green wave 1 and green wave 2, or we can count this move as a wave B and wave C towards the 160. We can count differently like A, B and C as a flat pattern 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. But for the bullish or bearish side, if market give us the classic trading level pattern above this 250 with the proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bullish side towards the 280 and 300 step by step. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may give us this pattern as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 towards the 180. So as of now, we are looking for this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame how we join the next move. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave 1, we count this structure as a black wave A, black wave B. Now we are looking for this black wave C as a 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 200. 200 belongs to the strong and larger number. Like if market give us this move after this leading diagonal, we can count this move as a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as a leading diagonal A, B, and C. Wave 1, wave 2. So we need to wait for next impulsive move, arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, and C to go towards the 180. If market give us this pattern at 200, then we will go towards the bearish side. Otherwise, that's possible. We can count this move as a black wave C at this point, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. Then A, B, and C, W, X, and Y. We can count differently with respect to the rules and guidelines of Elliott wave theory. If this is the case, then market will go towards the bullish side as a 1, 2, 1, and 2, or as a wave 1, then wave 2. Then market will go towards the bullish side. For the bearish side, we need to wait for this proper classic trading level pattern. So let's check the bearish possibility as a classic trading level pattern. We need to wait for this move, this proper impulsive move in lower time frame at 200. Arrival, A, B, and C reaction. Then again market cross this point, give us the low below then 200. Arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, and C. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side, or we need to refine our entry in a 5 minute or 15-minute time frame from this wave B to this impulsive move in lower time frame from this low to inner wave B, step by step. For the bearish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 200. So let's check our next pair, NVDA. So in this pair, after this black wave 4, we count this structure as a brown wave 1. Market give us the proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 as a brown wave 1. After this brown wave 1, we are looking for the correction towards the 150. 150 belongs to the medium number. If market cross this point, this wave B or the near larger number 200. If market give us the classic trading level pattern at wave B or at 200, like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, and C, then we will go towards the bullish side. After this lag or directly if market give us this pattern, then we will go towards the bullish side. So as of now, market give us this move as a wave A, wave B. Now we are looking for wave C. Market give us this pattern below this 180. 180 belongs to the end of group 2. Like market cross this point, give us this arrival or low. Arrival reaction. Now we need to wait for the first low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the 165 and then 150 step by step. So now we are looking for this move as a bearish move as a green wave C. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this wave A, we count this move as a green wave B like W, X, and Y. So after this green wave B, market give us this proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. Then A, B, and C, W, X, A, B, and C, Y. So market give us this pattern below this 180. So let's check the pattern at 180. Market not stop at the level 180, directly creates low. After this low, market give us the A, B and C or W, X, Y as a correction. Then again market give us this impulsive move. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. If we want to go towards the bearish side towards the 165, we can go with this wave B with this stop loss. With this stop loss, we can go with this wave B, but we need to refine our entry from this point to inner wave B, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive move. Now we need to wait for this correction A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point 165 with this wave B with this stop loss. After the entry, we need to refine our entry. So let's check the pattern number 3 for the bearish side. Market don't stop at the 180, directly creates low. After this low, we need to wait for this A, B and C, the correction and next impulsive move. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side, but we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this low to inner wave B. Like this, we can go with this wave B, but we need to refine our entry from this point to this wave B and stop loss from this point to this point. So let's check our next pair, beta. So in this pair, after this black wave 1, we count this structure as a black wave 2, brown wave 1 and brown wave 2, or we can count this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C or W, X and Y. We can count differently, but in both cases now we are looking for the bearish move as a wave C at this point 500 or 480, or as a black wave 2 if market cross this 480. Then we count this move as a B and C, then we will go towards the bullish side. In both cases now we are looking for the bearish move. So after this brown wave 1, we count this structure as a B and C as a W, then X, then market give us this move as a wave A, wave B. Now we are looking for this move as a wave C towards the bearish side. Market give us the proper classic trading level pattern at 650. 650 belongs to the start of group 2. Market cross this point, creates low, give us the A, B and C, next impulsive move and its correction to go towards the next point. If market cross this wave B or this wave X in daily time frame, then we will go towards the bullish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave X, we count this structure as a black wave A, black wave B. Now we are looking for black wave C. Market give us the classic trading level pattern at 650. Market don't stop at the level, directly creates low A, B and C. Then market give us the proper impulsive move and its correction A, B and C. If we not see the proper wave B, then we can go with this low towards the bearish side with this stop loss. With this stop loss at this entry point to go towards the 600 in lower time frame. If this 600 give us the pattern like market give us the arrival to touch the 600, that's okay. Arrival, reaction, first low below level. Now we need to wait for the A, wave B and wave C. Then we will go towards the 580 and then 565 with respect to the Elliott wave count. So let's check the Elliott wave count like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can count this move as a leading diagonal. Okay, let's check the validation of leading diagonal. Okay, safe. We can count this move as a leading diagonal. If this is the case, then market may give us the deep correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. Then we need to wait for the next impulsive move and A, B and C to go towards the 550 and then 500 step by step as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 600 to go towards the bearish side. So let's check our next pair, Google. So in this pair, market give us this proper strong impulsive move as a green wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this brown wave 1. Now we are looking for the correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. Or we can count differently, like we can count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave A. Then market will give us the move as a deep correction towards the 230 or 250, the medium number. We can count differently. As of now, we need to wait for this correction as a wave 1 and wave 2 or as a B and C. Like that's possible, market may give us this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, wave A, wave B and wave C. We can count differently. In both cases, as a wave A and wave B or as a 1 and 2, now we need to wait for this correction. Then we will go towards the bearish side. In both cases, we are looking for this correction and the next impulsive move towards the bearish side. So how we join the next bearish move? At this point 300, market crosses 300 create low. Now this correction is in play as a B and C overall classic trading level pattern correction. After this correction as a B and C, we need to wait for the next impulsive move. Then A, B and C to go towards the bearish side 280, then 265 and then 250 step by step. Then we will go towards the bullish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this brown wave 1, we count this structure as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A. Now we are looking for this move as a wave B, like market give us this move as a B and C WXY or wave 1, A, B and C wave 2. In both cases, as of now we are looking for the bullish leg as a wave C towards the 320. Then we will go towards the next point 280 with the classic trading level pattern, like we need to wait for the next impulsive move A, B and C to go towards the 280, then 265 and then 250 with this wave B. In lower time in frame in 5 minute or 15-minute time frame, if market give us the pattern at 310, the classic trading level pattern at 310, then we will go towards the 320, 320. So let's check the next pair, Microsoft Corporation. So in this pair, after the strong impulsive move, like black wave 1, black wave 2, now we are looking for this move as a brown wave 1 and brown wave 2. Or we can count differently, like we can count this move as a black wave 1 at this point, then we need to change our count wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 at this point. We can count differently. If this is the black wave 1, then market will go towards the 300 and then 250 step by step. So we count this move as a brown wave 1 and brown wave 2. That's possible market cross this low and go towards the 300. Then we change this point as a black wave 1 towards this point. But in both cases, as of now, we are looking for the correction as a W, then X and then Y, or wave A, B and C. So now we are looking for the next point. Market give us the pattern at 400, like arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B and C. Now market ready to go towards the 300 with respect to 350. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this brown wave 1, we count this structure as a W, then X and then Y. Or we can count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as a wave A, wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can count differently. So market give us the classic trading level pattern at 400. At this point, market cross this point creates low. Like market not stop at the level directly creates low at this point, then A, B and C the correction, then next impulsive move. Now we need to wait for the proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B and C to go towards the bearish side, or that's also possible. Market give us this move as a either wave 5 of this black wave C. Then market will go towards the bullish side. That's also possible. After this last flag, market go towards the bullish side. If we want to go towards the bullish side, we need to wait for the proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the 450 medium number arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 500 as a B and C, or as a 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. For the bullish side, we need to wait for this classic trading level pattern. So let's check our next pair, Tesla. So in Tesla, in daily time frame, we count this structure as a green wave 1 at this point, then green wave 2, black wave 1. Now we are looking for this move as a black wave 2. Market give us the proper and strong impulsive move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 as a black wave 1. Now we are looking for this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C towards the 350. If this 350 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 300 step by step. If market cross this point and give us the classic trading level pattern after this leg, or directly like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C, then market will go towards the 500. If 500 give us the pattern, then market will go towards the 550. After this 500, that's possible market may give us this last leg. Then we count this move as a B and C, W, then X and then Y, or A, B and C as a flat pattern. If market cross this 450 and give us the pattern, then we'll go towards the 500. But as of now, market give us this move as a leading diagonal at this point, then wave A, B and C, wave B. Now we are looking for this move as a wave C. Or that's possible, we count this move as a leading diagonal at this point, but we need to check the validation of the either move if we change. Okay, okay, not safe. So we count this move at this point as a leading diagonal wave A, then wave B. Now we are looking for wave C. Or we can count this move as a B and C, W, then X and then Y. So how we join the next bearish move? We need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 350 to go towards the 300. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 1, we count this structure as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, wave B. Now we are looking for wave C. Or that's also possible. This wave B may still is in play as a wave A, wave B and wave C as a flat pattern, that's possible. Market may give us this last leg, then go towards the mini side. So we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 350, medium number like arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B and C to go towards the next point 320 and 300 step by step. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may go towards the 450 and then 500 as a flat pattern. W, X, Y, A, B, and C. Overall, we count this move as A, B, and C as a flat pattern. So let's check our next pair, last pair, Netflix. So in this pair, market give us this move as a brown wave 1. After this brown wave 1, market give us this move as a brown wave 2, or that's also possible. This brown wave 2 still is in play as a B and C, A wave B and wave C, or W, X and Y. In both cases, as a B and C, or as a 1, 2 and 3, now we are looking for this correction and the next impulsive move. As a 1, wave 2 and wave 3, or as a B and C, market will go towards the 100 and then 110 and then 120. So now we are looking for this move towards the bullish side. So at this point, market cross, okay, let's check. Okay, market touch this 100, give us the arrival. Now we need to wait for this reaction. First high above level A, B and C to go towards the 110 and 120. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame how we join the next move. So in 1 hour time frame, after this brown wave 1, we count the structure as a green wave A, green wave B, green wave C as a brown wave 2. So after this brown wave 2, market give us this move, this strong impulsive move as a brown wave 1. Now we are looking for this move as a correction arrival A, B and C, a reaction like this A, B and C reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 110 in 1 hour time frame. We need to wait for this classic trading level pattern. Let's check the classic trading level pattern for the bullish side. Market give us the arrival at 100 with the proper impulsive move. Arrival, reaction, first high above level. Now we need to wait for this correction to complete as a reaction. Then next impulsive move, then again market give us this A, B and C correction. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the bullish side. Or we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this high in lower time frame, this high to inner wave B. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the Forex pairs. Like, share and subscribe.